Well, folks, I am back again. This is Hotel Minh Hang. Hotel Minh Hang has been good to me in the past, so I spared no effort in looking everywhere for an apartment, for a hotel. As soon as I knew I was coming to Phan Thiet, I dialed up Hotel Minh Hang, and they actually had a special running for $15 a night. By the beach. It's not like exactly on the beach, but you know, it's within 10 minutes of walking to the beach. You can actually see the ocean from your window. As you can see right here. It's kind of way down there, but you know, I'm gonna go there a little bit later. When I was here the last time, I didn't do too much vlogging about the beach, but I'm here. I'm here for a few more days. I'm here for about 4 or 5 days, so I'm gonna do some vlogging about it. But it's really quaint, very small. It's a nice small enough for 2 people. You know what I mean? Has your little refrigerator right there, coffee if you need coffee, closet, air conditioning unit, TV for your viewing pleasure, bathroom. You can see, very clean, very nice bathroom. Western style, has a little divider, which is what I like. You know, got a little divider. It's very clean. It's what I like about it too. Compared to the last one I stayed at, I mean, I like the last one. I will stay at Yangsun Hotel again because it's a really affordable price, and if you just kind of pass into, it's the kind of place you want to stay. But Hotel Minh Hang is really for your money. Even when you're paying regular, I think regular price is going to be about $18 to about $20 a night, but still not bad. I mean, I'll stay here for even $20 a night. You know, I just like the where it's situated. It's not too far from the city. It's not too far from the beach. It's really clean, really put together. You can tell they put some money into it, but they're not charging their customers, you know, overly charging the customers just because, you know what I mean? So Hotel Minh Hang, you know, in Phan Thiet, it's on my I already did a YouTube video on it, specifically on it. This is my second one, but again, you know, this is what you get. I got a discounted price because they had a special running for $15 a night. So here I am again, Hotel Minh Hang. This is the Ocean Cafe and Restaurant. In one of the most beautiful places I've been so far in Phan Thiet. It's really beautiful. Are you guys gonna swing? Okay, we gotta swing. Very beautiful. The ocean, coffee, and restaurant. Hello. Ciao. Yeah, USA. Yeah, California. Yeah, California. Tôi nghe Đà Nẵng. Hello, xin chào. What?
Kênh YouTube.
YouTube.
Hello.
Hello, cho con học một bữa nữa con đi học.
Không, nghỉ hết tuần
Suka.
sau mới học. Hôm nay ra Suka.
Cheers. Hello. There we go.
No.
What?
Ba cho con miếng nha bà.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.